小昆山town in Songjiang district and Xijingang Road. It's for canola flowers. I think this flower was planted between two crops. In this part of China, the farmers always plant one season of rice, one season of wheat. So between these two seasons, they plant this canola flower. Maybe this is something you don't have in your country. In Chinese, I also heard it's also in Vietnam. People has tradition to cook their food with the canola oils. So this is the flower. After the flower, it will be like a seeds. Then use those seeds for canola oil. It's the cheapest, maybe I guess it's the cheapest cooking oil, but we like it. It's actually quite good oil for cooking meat. But there is one trick. You have to heat the oil with high power. If not heated, it will have some unpleasant aroma. But if you heat it, it will be good for cooking meat. There are a few places in China, like a small village, is famous for this canola flowers. The most famous one is Wuyuan. Hundreds of thousands of visitors in this time of year, they would go there to watch the canola flower because this village has some little hills. So the farmers planted this kind of canola flowers over the hills in the terraced fields. So from the way up to look down, that's more beautiful. I think all the seeds will be in this kind of I don't know how to see this. This will have all the seeds. Let me take one off. I think it's in this kind of a thing. The seeds will be here. It's green now, so it will be lots of seeds. When I see this beautiful flower, I can tell the farmers will have a bumper harvest. That is a good thing. For 1 year's hard work, they totally deserve it. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Love this road.